Cyfle Caerdydd wrth ymosod. Ddim wedi cael llawer hyn. Yn y munud y diwetha, hyfryd at Fiona Barry. Barry yn herio y Seintiau Newydd. Mae'n mynd I hun, Fiona Barry. Cyffarddiad bach lleia. Taro rhwyd ochr.
Ie, ti'n modd, gwrthymosodiad da gan Caerdydd, mae rhaid dweud o fewn tair pas. Ti'n modd, mae Barry yn cael ergyd at y gol.
10 munud I fynd yn yr hanner cyntaf. Mae Francis Jones eto am groesiad oedd honna. Cyfle clir yn Seintiau, Lexi Jones.
Safon o bêl gan Maria Francis Jones. Nes I dysgu hynny iddi, wrth gwrs. Ond mae rhaid dweud, oedd e jyst yn berffaith a oedd y rediad Lexi Jones hefyd yn berffaith. Mae angen I rywun dangos rhyw fath o spark yn rhywle oherwydd mae'r naws dal eitha fflat.
Mae Fiona Barry yn ceisio newid hynny. Llawer o gymorth yn taro'r postyn. Dal yno, coli. Methu cyrraedd yno cyn yr Seintiau glyrio, ond Fiona Barry yn mynd amdani. Barry. Ar y dde nawr, mae'n ddod y chwith, os yn newid. Safle wedi bod o bosib I Fiona Barry. Mae'n effeithiol, be bynnag mae'n mynd. Ac yn taro'r targed! O bellter, Barry I Caerdydd.
Wel, y gwahaniaeth fan hyn yw bod dy'r Barry y weledigaeth I jyst taro'r bêl. Mae'n adennill y bêl, mae'n gyrru mewn I ganol y cae. Dyw amddiffynwyr Seintiau Newydd ddim yn cael lawr, felly mae digon o waglu gyda a mae ar ei droed chwith. A I bod yn deg iddi, mae'n taro'r bêl yna yn berffaith a mae'n llawn heiddi y gol yna, am gol o safon.
Chwaraewch ymlaen nawr de, os na gyfle i'r Seintiau Newydd yn y canol. Chantel Tia i'r Seintiau. Mynd am y targed yn taro'r amddiffynwr Lexi Jones yn syth at y golgeidwad hefyd. Cerin Chamberlain. Am hanner eiliad o'ch chi'n meddwl bod nhw mewn.
Oedd yr abediad yn un eitha hawdd I fod yn onas I Chamberlain.
Billingham I orffen y cyfan. Carbes yn y gol. Gan Megan Bowen I fod yn deg. 16 oed yw Bowen yn y gol. A nath hi'n wych I rwystro Billingham.
Yeah, proud of the group. We said before the game it'd be a very tight game. Semi-finals often are. And you need a bit of magic. And we knew Fiona, she had a couple of attempts in the first half. And we just said, keep going, you'll get your moment. And then when you do, make sure you take it. And what a goal it was to win a game.
Yeah, Fiona, an absolute moment of magic. It's true. I had some notes and all that I had by your name was, wow. I think that says it all really. What was going through your head at that point?
Honestly, I just drove with the ball. Like everyone tells me always to just drive at my player, so that's what I did. Heard the calls to shoot, so I shot and it just went in. So yeah, couldn't be happier. The girls put such a great shift in, so yeah.
I think we could see from the celebration as well just how much it meant.
Yeah, obviously this first time playing in this cup in a semi-final, and I knew how much it meant to the girls, so we all made sure we put a shift in, and we've done it, so yeah.
It was a very, very tight game, particularly in the first half, but the second half you seemed to come out with more determination, more grit about you, more organisation. What exactly was said in that dressing room at half-time, Ian?
Just keep doing what we did in the first half. I thought there was a few moments where we kept turning back into where the bodies were, and we've worked really hard in training about, turning out, find the switch, and when we did that, we looked like we were going to score. We had an attempt nearly every time. So I think it was just about keep doing what we're doing, but add that bit of extra quality in, and then just be clear that we were going to get a couple of moments in this half, make sure we take ours, and then be resolute, be defensive, see the game out the way we just did in the second half.
And now a rerun of last year's final awaits.
Well, we owe them from last week, so I think, listen, that they're on really good form, and it's just great to have much more competition in the league, and, credit to Wrexham for getting to another final. Hopefully it's the same as last year.
Listen, many congratulations to you both. Llongyfarchiadau mawr, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a tough one to take. I think, especially in the first half, we did more than enough to create and score, but we just weren't clinical in the final third. You zoom out and look at the bigger picture there. We've gone toe-to-toe with the current cup holders, and we pushed them right until the very end. And for us, it's a tough lesson to take because I believe we created more than enough to go and win the game there, and unfortunately we didn't get it over the line.
Are there any particular moments where you feel you should have done better this afternoon?
Yeah, we've got to be more ruthless in the final third. We're creating chances, we're getting in there, and we're being creative in and around the box, but that edge to go and put it in the back of the net just wasn't there today, and whether that's nerves for the occasion or what, I'm not sure. That's something we'll need to go and look at, but overall I think it's pride for me, and we're proud of every single person in that dressing room now because they're upset and it will hurt, but we'll bounce back from that.